Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To quickly fix a broken coffee maker, first check that it's plugged in and the outlet works. Clean the water reservoir and filter basket to remove clogs. If it still won't brew, descale with equal parts water and vinegar to clear mineral buildup. Finally, make sure the carafe is properly seated, since many models won't start without it. These easy steps often solve coffee maker problems fast.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.